Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Pre-Calculus type of a question from the topic of equivalent representations of polynomial and rational expressions. Let's solve it together. Let f of x equals x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 4x plus 3. Simplify f of x and describe the graph. A, the graph has holes at x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. B, the graph has a hole at x equals 3 and vertical asymptote at x equals 1. And C, the graph has a vertical asymptote at x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. C, the graph has no holes or vertical asymptotes. In this case, we're going to analyze the given expression, x squared minus 9. So before doing that, I'm just going to talk about it here. A squared minus b squared. The difference of two squares is a plus b times a minus b. So x squared minus 9 is the difference of two squares. In the bottom, we have x squared minus 4x plus 3 in the denominator. So this x squared minus 9 can be rewritten as x plus 3 times x minus 3 over. Let's factor the denominator 2. 3 times 1 gives you 3. But to get negative 4, we must have negative 1 and negative 3 in this expression. And we're going to write our binomials this way. X minus 3 times x minus 1. So if you can realize that this x minus 3 and x minus 3 canceling each other out. So this is a condition for whole. If you simplify an expression from numerator and denominator, then there is a hole in that point. So x equals 3, there is a hole at x equals 3. What about the vertical asymptote? The vertical asymptote is related to denominator. X minus 1 is equals to 0 and x equals 1. So this is a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. So, and some of you might say, why not we have x and vertical asymptote at x equals 3 since we had x plus 3 in the denominator 2. There is no vertical asymptote occurs when there is a hole, so this cancels this out. That's why, based on our analysis, choice A is not the answer. Choice B is the perfect matches, C is not, and D is not. Choice will be the answer for our question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.